What's up, guys? Welcome back to Spicy Fish Show. Before we start our volcano eruption video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn the bell, and give us a huge thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and guys, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Fuzzy Fish Show. Enjoy this video, guys. I know you'll love it. Oh, look at this beautiful, big, erupting volcano. I hope it doesn't destroy this New York City tower, but look at this lava. It's going down. And do you know what a volcano does? It erupts when magma pushes so with pressure, and then it's gonna erupt like this. Wow! Now let me show you the ingredients. First, we have baking soda. Next, we have vinegar. Last but not least, we have red dye food coloring. First, we're gonna use the vinegar. Let me open it up. Now let me pour it into the funnel. Whoa. Whoa. Let me keep on going until right there. Now, let's put in the red dye. Let me put it in. Now it's time for the fun part. Now it's time for the fun part. Look at this. It's empty. How did that happen? Now I'm gonna put this into the volcano so that it can erupt. Oh guys, look. Watch closely. It's gonna explode really high. Whoa! Look at that. It's so cool. Let me add some more. Now let's do it. Whoa, it's gonna erupt! Eruption! Come on, Flavia, see? Come, Flavia! Whoa! This is so cool! Look at that! Is this so cool? Yeah! I want it to explode super high. Let's make it explode. Whoa! Aw, man, guys, I guess it stopped exploding. Wah, wah, wah. Oh no, the New York City Tower! I thought that wouldn't happen, but it happened. Well, look at this, guys. It exploded red lava. That's so cool. Let's do the floss. Breakdance time. Oh yeah. Isn't this so cool? Oh yeah, this is so cool. Floss. That's for breakdance time. Bye. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a huge thumbs up. Subscribe, turn the notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. See you guys later. Bye.